Just thought I'd take a moment and show you how I power the DJI Power 1000 if I'm out camping, if I'm out flying my drone, out at a work site, and I don't have any other source of power to charge it. Then I will use a solar panel. This is a folding solar panel, 100 watts, from this company right here. It's a pretty sturdy panel. It's got aluminum legs or arms behind it to adjust the angle. It's got a metal frame all around it, and it folds up and fits inside this case nicely. So we've got the power coming out from it to these MC4 connectors, and they're connected behind to the modules and everything. And then they go through this extension cord and connect to this, which is essentially a charge controller that DJI sells. It's called DJI Power Solar Panel Adapter Module, MPPT. So the power from the panel from the MC4s goes through to an XT60 connector, which there are 3 ports on this module, this charge controller. XT60 ports, so you can hook up 3 separate panels, and then from there it goes into these SDC ports. Let's see if you can see them in there. There's 2 of them, one above the other. One's an SDC light, and then there's this one on top that I've got it plugged into currently. Now, it's not showing any charge or any input because the battery is fully charged, and there's no drain on it. But then, while this is charging, you can always charge other devices, the drone, phones, cameras, the Starlink, anything like that from here. So that's just a really simple way to charge while out on the road and keep everything charged up. And it's pretty compact. That folds up and into the case, and then this is has its own case also. That came with it when I purchased it. But this module has heat sinks on it, has rubber feet, so you can set it like it is here or set it down on a table or anything. It also has mounting brackets if you want to mount it on the side, over here on the side of the power station. So just thought I'd share that with you. Hope that's helpful, and I'll leave links to all these items if you're interested in purchasing them for your power station. And thanks again for watching.